Monitor engineers are quite often overlooked by console designers. One of the things about CDC6 is its extraordinarily low latency. From an analog input on a remote stage box, through the conversion process, through all of the console processing, and back to an analog output on a remote stage box, takes just 0.384 milliseconds. This extraordinarily low latency lends itself very well for the CDC6 to be used as a monitor console specifically for in-ear monitoring, where low latency is absolutely critical to make sure that the artist can stay in time and in key. So there is a unique software mode for CDC6 which allows you to use the console as a dedicated monitor board very, very easily. All I have to do is engage fader follow on the console. This immediately puts all my output bus labels across the screen. Now, selecting any of the output buses flips the faders to become the contributions to the selected output. So now we're looking at the input channel's various send levels to AUX 21. So if I begin to turn channels on now and push faders up, I'm now sending input channels to bus 21. If now I want to have a look at what I'm sending to bus AUX 2, again, turn channels on, push the faders up. It's very easy to hop around between mixes, assign channels, and get a number of complex monitor mixes together very quickly indeed. In addition to navigating the buses very quickly and easily, there are also some very useful functions for the monitor engineer. If I enable solo follow, now selecting an output bus automatically solos that output bus in my local monitor system. So a single touch of the screen gives me the bus's audio in my monitors and also all of the contributions to the selected output. In addition to solo follow, we also have a function called mix focus mode. If I enable mix focus mode, the console will now only present me with input channels which are sending to the selected bus. So this allows very efficient use of the user interface, and I'm never going to be shown channels which are not relevant to the selected output. In addition to those two features, we have a copy and paste mode, which very easily allows me to copy an output and to paste that mix to another bus. So very easy to set up similar monitor mixes which I can then go in and refine for that particular artist.